The Turkish lira hit a record low and stocks tumbled 3% on Thursday after coalition talks between the ruling AK party and the main opposition ended negatively, setting the stage for a snap election. The lira, already one of the worst performing major emerging market currencies this year, tumbled to 2.8272 against the dollar, its weakest on record. The main stock index fell as much as 3% before recovering some losses. Many investors had hoped for a deal between the AKP and the pro-business, center-left CHP, and fear another election will serve only to prolong uncertainty. Turkish Prime Minister Ahmet Davutoğlu said on Thursday Parliament should take the initiative in calling for an early election after coalition talks failed, and should not leave the decision to President Tayyip Erdogan. Political parties have until August 23 to agree a working government or Erdogan could call a fresh election. Davutoğlu's AK party is now expected to talk to the nationalist MHP after its efforts to agree a coalition with the main opposition CHP ended in failure. It's not clear when elections will be. But the idea is that it probably will act as yet another catalyst that impedes investment, said Manik Narain, a strategist at UBS in London. The big risk is that we end up having repeat elections and nothing changes. That introduces a lot of uncertainty for Turkish business and the economy. The AKP failed in June's elections to win a single-party majority for the first time since coming to power in 2002. Prime Minister Ahmet Davutoğlu has until August 23 to find a coalition partner and form a government or face snap elections. The outcome is negative, a senior official with the main opposition CHP told Reuters, following the more than hour-long meeting in Ankara between Davutoğlu and CHP leader Kemal Kılıçdaroğlu that followed weeks of talks between their two parties. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who founded the AKP, is said to prefer an early election as the party's best chance of regaining power. Party officials say its leadership has been encouraged by improvements in opinion polls, which suggest it could win a majority if an election were held now. Davutoğlu has until August 23 to find a junior coalition partner. Erdogan, who founded the AKP, could call a snap election. The third largest party, Nationalist Movement Party, MHP, has said it does not favor a coalition with the ruling party, but has hinted it could support a minority AKP government in the short term in return for a new election.